Welcome back, featuring a piece. So today we're going to talk about the turbofan engine. So I got us a nice animated turbofan for us to review. So we're going to start from the front and work our way to the back. So the turbofan, the first clue as to how you know what kind of engine or type of engine it is because it has a nice big fan in the front. So we have turbojet, turbofans, turboprops, and turboshafts, right? So this is a turbofan engine. So you have your air inlet, right? And then you have a fan. And notice the colors, right? Because this fan and what is behind it is your low pressure compressor. So the fan and this compressor is your low pressure compressor. And then there's a shaft, we can't see it, but this shaft is connected to your low pressure turbines in the rear, okay? And then after the low pressure compressor, then you have your high pressure compressor, and they're smaller in diameter, right? And before we get into the combustion chamber, you have your diffuser, then the combustion chamber, and then we go back to the high pressure turbines, and then the low pressure turbines, your cone, your nozzle for your exhaust. Right? So that's the basic design of the turbofan engine. Now, notice how there's this bypass, right? So this bypass is what makes this engine unique, because about 80% or more of the air that's is bypassing the core engine is what's actually producing the thrust. So like when you fly in an airliner, they're more than likely going to have, if it's a long flight, they're more than likely going to have a turbofan engine because of the fuel economy. You're still getting the flying at high altitude, right? It still has a lot of power. Okay, the noise is reduced as well. So anywho, so this is the turbofan engine, and that's the breakdown. All right, and you still have the suck, squeeze, right? Bang and blow that's going through this engine, just like it did in the turbofan engine, or at least when we described that one. Okay, so there you have it. This is your turbofan engine. Just a basic breakdown of the components and also the theory of operation, right? Suck, squeeze, bang, blow, turbofan engine. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow, and we'll see you in the next one. Pablito.